With a marketplace e-commerce platform, you have a ton of analytical data that you can mine to produce extremely valuable content that is highly catered to each individual user as well as to each seller. And with regards to the niches that you're serving, you can also provide a lot of granular and detailed information within each niche for what's popular, what's trending, what's the most useful, what's the highest rated, and ultimately provide extreme value for the marketplace overall. However, you have to engage this and you have to turn this data into something useful in order for it to be effective. One of the most valuable pieces of engagement within a marketplace is transactional email and transactional texting, if that's something that you have turned on too. Now, you can also have transactional app notifications, but you have to be careful about how often you do this. But if you do it in a frequency that works well and is highly tuned for your marketplace, sending transactional email in particular, it's free, doesn't cost anything, especially if it's auto-generated from your system and it's personalized. And it's literally going to be providing a ton of value when highly tuned. So this is an example that you're seeing on the screen of a table lamps and reading lamps trade alert for a particular user. And here they can see a list. It's a small list of trade alerts, so they're aware of these different items for sale. Now, from an analytical perspective, we can go into this list and based on the purchases, based on the traffic volume for particular items, and possibly based on ratings and reviews, we can prioritize using a simple algorithm that's very standard for machine learning and general AI for this type of situation, and provide detailed feedback to the user about the top items. In this case, we're just showing 6 items that they may be interested in within this particular trade alert category. So they're going to be able to watch, get the summary, find the key items, and then be able to drill into those and explore more. Now, in addition to individual products, we can show key categories, we can show best sellers and some of their items, and we can really tune this to the buyer and what they're interested in. And we can also do the same thing for sellers. There's no reason that we can't provide comprehensive, de-identified reporting so that we're sort of removing any sensitive data from the overall marketplace analytics and tracking information, but we can present a system-wide set of data to our sellers so they understand that within each category, these are the items that are selling the most. These are the items that have the highest margin. These are the types of items that you should consider looking at. That kind of information can be invaluable for sellers. And of course, you've got to be careful about making sure that any sensitive data isn't overshared, for example. But as long as you're cognizant of the privacy and the security aspects, getting into the analytics and providing this system-wide data, and really you could consider it as data as a service within your marketplace, can be make or break for truly providing value to your users. I mean, think about it. When was the last time you were on a site and you typed in a search result or typed in a search query and didn't get the result you wanted? We've got to prevent that at all costs and make sure that whatever results a user is looking for, we're learning over time and we're helping adapt the results for them personally. And then within each niche and category, we need to learn those continuously as well, so that whenever a user goes to search within a particular category and they use a set of keyword phrases or filters, we're going to show them what is most often selected, dwelled on the detail page, is most often purchased and highly rated. The better our buyers and sellers do, the better we're going to do. And that's got to be the heartbeat of all of your planning and detailed analysis for your site as you build your marketplace. We want to help the buyer and the seller do well, and they will just continue to flock to the site. With that said, we appreciate you taking a look at this brief video. If you have any questions or would like help with your analytics and data as a service within your marketplace, we certainly encourage you to reach out to us. Feel free to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.